look like a different person. Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. So in today's video is about weird and interesting Korean face masks. A lot of Korean beauty products are just very interesting and weird in a good way. Some other face masks just has one piece. In this package, it's double care. It has total 3 steps. That's very interesting. So the step 1 is to apply bubble mask. The link of this mask is in the description box. So this mask is to detox and cleanse the skin with bubbles. This is the unique bubbles that will gently remove the dead skin and give your skin a glow look. I'm very interested to test it. You can separate those 3 packages. First thing is to remove my bands. This is my first time trying it. I have already cleaned my skin. The scent is flower scent. Oh, I need to apply it quickly, otherwise it will become bubbles. The bubbles already forming right now. I thought the shade is pink, but not this one. I need to do this fast. Wow, it just goes too fast. Whoa, 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 look. Very interesting. Oh, wow, it's forming a lot of bubbles. I need to move it up. I don't want to be in my eyes. Look, my hands. Oh, I forgot to wear the hairband. Okay, I'll put on later. Look, the bubbles still forming on my hands. So this is gently remove my dead skin. Very interesting. I highly recommend that you try it out. It's still forming on my hands. How much it'll fall on the bubbles. Oh, I need to wash my hands. Right now, I look like a snowman. I forgot to wear this. Wow, my lips is covering with the bubble. Wow, I can't talk because the bubble is getting in my mouth. This is the one I'm going to wear. Matching color, the same brand, double care. It will match my hot pink peel-off mask. Don't cover my eyes. My upper lips is already covered. How long I need to wear this? Leave the mask for 3 minutes and rinse it off with water and pat it dry. I think I can rinse it off now, otherwise my whole face will cover with the bubble. I got bubbles in my mouth. Look how much bubbles from this face mask. Wow, satisfying. I'll go wash it. So I just washed off my face, and this is not from the face mask. This looks like mosquito bites. This bubble masking is really amazing. It was super fun to use it. I highly recommend. Your skin feel refreshing after you use it. Okay, let's do the step 2. The hot pink peel-off mask. It says that fast forward to flawless skin with a unique and colorful peel-off mask. Super cute! Oh my god! I'll wear this headband to match this peel-off mask. Super adorable. It says that apply thin layer and let the formula sit on your skin for 20 to 30 minutes. Let it dry completely and peel it off. And it says that recommended to use with this. Oh my god. I don't know how it will feel my face. And the ingredients are oh, it's really hot pink. Wow, this is the most colorful mask. They also have other colors like silver and green. You could check it out. It smells like medicine. Very light medicine. Thin layer, yes. Wow, the color. Oh, I'm making a mess. Wow, the color is really bright. Hot pink. The headband really matches and my dress. It contains more mask that I can use. I can save it for next time. I just hope it will not dry. This is my first time seeing really bright mask. And then I'll just wait until it dries. Well, it does match. I hope it doesn't hurt when I peel it off. Love this headband. It's perfect for when you're doing mask. hurt a little bit here. Oh, look at my eye. Look! Do you remember I had like mosquito bites over here and now it's gone? Wow, I'm quite surprised. It was here and you saw it, right? So I still have some remaining like peel-off mask, so that's why it has step 3. The step 3 is Serum Pack. This one is especially designed for remove any mask using a special design pack. And this is a moisturizing serum for a smooth finishing. Whoa, that's the whole treatment. Only one pack in this package. Look, I still have some remaining face mask. The pad turned pink. And it still has some serum in the package. So I will just use another pad and soak it into the serum. So no waste. So it gently swipes the pad all over the face to remove the leftover face mask. Fix my fingernails. And next step, we'll just use cream or sleeping mask. So I'll be using the Skin Food Apple Scent Cream. I love to try all the products from Skin Food. Love their product. Oh, the apple scent. So you can see that this texture is thick texture. It's like cream. It looks thick. So this texture is thicker than the Etude House Pore Cream. And this one is less sticky. Wow, I love this scent. It's very light apple scent. Wow, it is the scent of green apple, not red apple. I love this scent because this one is a little bit thicker than the other ones. I would recommend to use this in winter time. A little bit thicker, but after you spread out the cream, it evens out. One reason I love their product because the scent. So you can see that it's cream, it's pretty thick. It also reminds me of cucumber. And just let it dry. So this is the skincare for tonight. I love it. I highly recommend it. It has apple extract and it's also tighten your pores. Feels a little bit sticky, so I recommend to use it in fall, winter or spring. If you are dry skin, you could try this one out. Oh, I forgot to use eye cream. This is the eye cream I'll be using. It's Etude House. This cream is pretty thick. It's actually hard to dig out the cream. I need to use my nails to dig it out. So this is my skincare for tonight. I'll be trying on different face masks on different days. Wow, I just really in love with the hairband. I want to continue to wear it. It feels very comfortable when you don't have hair in the front.